Welcome all of you to Educare Biology. Now I will discuss about biogene again. That is discuss about chemogeny, origin of life by Halden and Oparin theory. First stage is chemogeny. I will discuss about chemogeny. What is chemogeny? Chemogeny may be defined as the process by which in strongly a reduced atmosphere, that is in seawater, a reduced form in seawater, various types of inorganic materials of a reaction produce simple organic compound. Later on, these simple organic compounds react to form complex organic compound and thereby life was originated. This is the main point of chemical origin of life, that is chemogeny. This theory was proposed by Oparin 1923, which was supported by Halden in 1928. These two scientists, according to these two scientists, this theory is called Halden-Oparin theory or theory of abiogenesis or chemical origin of life. There are several stages of this theory. First stage is atomic stage. The second stage is formation of early inorganic compounds. Third stage is formation of simple organic compound. The last stage is formation of complex organic compound. These four stages are in chemical origin of life. I will discuss about four stages of chemical origin of life. First stage is atomic stage. In this stage, the early primitive earth, in early primitive earth, the elements were in atomic stage. The temperature of the earth was 5,000 to 6,000 centigrade. In this stage, atomic elements were in three layers. According to the atomic weight, in the center of the earth, there are the heavy atoms. Next, middle stage, the middle layer, that is called mantle. There are the lighter atoms. In the center, the heavy atoms are iron, nickel, etc. But the mantle, the middle layer, the lighter atoms were silicon, aluminium, sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and so on. Next, around the earth, the more lighter atoms are present. This forms the atmosphere. They are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. This is the atomic stage of origin of life. The second stage is formation of early inorganic compounds. In this stage, early inorganic compounds. In this stage, the atoms reacted with one another and forms the early inorganic compound. From hydrogen atom, hydrogen molecule was formed. From nitrogen atom, nitrogen molecule was formed. From hydrogen and oxygen, water vapor was produced. So, in the early atmosphere, there are hydrogen, nitrogen, water vapor, next methane, ammonia. In this condition, hydrogen was the main atom. Hydrogen combines with nitrogen for ammonia. Hydrogen combines with carbon for methane. Hydrogen combines with oxygen for water vapor. Metal atom combines with nitrogen for metal nitride with carbon for carbide. In this state, all of oxygen was exhausted, was consumed to produce the inorganic compound. So, in this case, atmosphere was oxygenless. As a result, strongly reduced form. No oxygen was present. This state is called inorganic compound stage. Number 3, formation of organic compound. Next, temperature comes down at 1000 degrees centigrade. In this state, just the condition was strongly reduced, and the source of energy was UV ray, X-ray, cosmic ray, and electric discharge. By this energy, inorganic compounds react with each other, form simple organic compound. This stage, various simple organic compounds are formed. First of all, A, formation of hydrocarbons. Formation of hydrocarbons. Free radicals, that is CH and CH2, that is carbon of hydrogen, reacts to form several types of saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. That is, CH radical react form acetylene. Acetylene, from acetylene, ethylene was produced. That is CH2 radical. From methane to acetaldehyde, acetylene produced. There are several types of hydrocarbons. They are saturated or non-saturated, unsaturated. Next, formation of oxyhydrocarbon and hydrocarbon compound. This aldehyde reacts with water, form aldehyde and ketone. These are hydroxy or oxyhydrated hydrocarbon. That is methane, water, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, water, acetylene, water, for formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, formaldehyde. That is CH4, H2O, CO2H2, CO2H2O, formaldehyde. That is acetylene plus water, acetaldehyde. These are oxyhydrocarbon and hydroxycarbon compound. Next, see, formation of simple saccharides. This aldehyde or ketone, after condensation, there is condensation of aldehyde or glycol aldehyde. A glycol aldehyde, next, formaldehyde, produce glyceraldehyde. From glyceraldehyde, produce dihydroxyacetone phosphate. That is, a dihydroxyacetone phosphate and glyceraldehyde after reaction form several types of monosaccharides. There is simple saccharide. There is glucose, fructose, and pentose, etc. etc. Monosaccharides. Next, D, formation of fatty acid and glycerol. Aldehyde. This is aldehyde. React with carbon dioxide, hydrogen, form acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde after condensation produce aldol. Aldol polymerization. After polymerization produce fatty acid. This is formation of fatty acid. Next, E, formation of amino acids. Condensation of formaldehyde produce glycolaldehyde. Glycolaldehyde react with water, form glycine, glycolic acid. Glycolic acid react with ammonia, produce glycine and water. A glycine is the amino acid. Next, F, formation of purine and pyrimidine. Methane and ammonia after reaction produce hydrogen cyanide. Next, methane, ammonia and hydrogen cyanide reacts produce purine and pyrimidine. These are the simple organic compound. Next, from this simple organic compound in sea water, reaction was take place and formation of compound organic, complex organic compound was produced. They are as follows. Next, monosaccharide after condensation and polymerization produced polysaccharides and oligosaccharides. Next, formation of protein. Amino acid after condensation produce protein. Amino acid, polymerization and condensation produce protein. Next, formation of lipid. Next, formation fatty acid and alcohol react to produce lipid. Next, formation of nucleic acid. Purine and pyrimidine reacts with pentose saccharides, produce nucleoside. After nucleoside with phosphoric acid produce nucleotide. There are several types of nucleotide. After condensation produce nucleic acid. These are the complex organic compound. This reaction was completed in what? Sea water. And combination of this compound with sea water held and was called what? Dilute soup, by Halden soup. These are from this organic compound. Next stage, biogeny was formed. After biogeny, life was originated. Today, I have completed the chemogeny. Next video, I will discuss about biogeny. Thank you all.